You've probably heard it 1,000 times. Pick a niche, and your brain goes, cool, Adrian, but what if I don't get enough clients? Let me reframe that. What if niching down could actually make clients chase you? Hello my friend, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Adrian Somoza and I focus on helping talented freelance web designers grow their talent and charge what they are worth. I run a mentorship program called the BONT Club. It includes an online course, weekly live group training sessions, and a community of advanced web designers leveling up their business and mindset. If you want help getting to 10K months with a clear strategy instead of trial and error, then book a strategy call with me and we'll see if you're a fit and ready to join the BONT Club. Now, what if the real reason why you're undercharging isn't your design skills, but that your offer is not compelling enough? Let's talk about that. Repeatable problems and solutions equals repeatable income. When you niche down, you stop designing from scratch every single time. You start recognizing the same client issues and building repeatable systems that solve them. Not only do your projects get easier, you get known for solving one particular problem and become an actual expert at doing so. And that's what makes you magnetic. This isn't about limiting yourself, okay? It's about creating a signature offer that solves a repeating problem in your niche so you can become very well known for that offer and for helping your clients achieve a specific desired result. That's when pricing becomes scalable and clients stop focusing on the dollar amount and start focusing on the value that you're providing, the certainty, and the results you can produce for them based on what you have produced for others already. The more you focus on a niche, the more they see you as the person that gets it. Now, what if your niche is great and still leads ghost you? Let's unpack that. So you want to talk to buyers that are ready to hire. One thing that we work on in the BONT Club is how to identify clients at different stages of their buying journey. Most designers throw stuff online and hope someone bites. I did that too for many years, and I would get leads all over the place, from 200 and all the way up to even 40K projects. But if you speak to someone who's already aware of the problem, already looking for a solution, already comparing providers, that's where the money is, bottom of the funnel. And if your message is tailored to that person, you'll book calls instead of getting likes and follows, which, by the way, don't pay the bills. The difference between I do high-end websites and I help health coaches convert more leads with authority building websites. It's night and day, okay? The difference is night and day. It's the difference between an airline selling me the quality of the airplane versus selling me the experiences, the memories, the cosmovision. I talk more, by the way, about that in this video. But now the question is how do you find and reach those ready to buy clients consistently? So that's what we'll cover next. Predictable systems equals predictable pipeline. Once you've nailed the niche, the problem, and the point in their buying journey, you're no longer guessing. Your content, your portfolio, your offer, they all speak the same language, your client's language. You don't need to land 10 projects a month. You just need one client ready to pay a premium price. And you do that by combining both outbound and inbound strategies. Outbound means outreach. It's faster because you can cut through bones directly and very quickly, but it's not scalable in the longer term. So inbound means marketing at the same time. So it's slower in the short term, but it's highly scalable in the longer run. Both strategies play well hand in hand to help you build a steady pipeline of clients and projects, like Mikolas, who went from 1 to 10K per project per month consistently, or Tianzoa, who has built a full pipeline of projects for the whole 2025, for the whole year. And that's how you hit 10K per month with fewer clients, less chaos, and more creative energy. This stuff works. But that's really not the end of the game. It's really just the beginning, because once you implement this, new questions will start to pop up, like how do I sell a high-ticket website without sounding salesy? How do I scale my business without burning out, becoming an agency I never wanted to be? So niching down gives you clarity, but building a real business that runs smoothly, earns consistently, and gives you the freedom you're after, that's a much bigger goal, my friend. And that's exactly what we do inside the BONT Club. So if you're ready to stop DIYing your freelance web design business and they're serious about scaling it to 6 figures a year, book a strategy call with me and I'll map out the exact plan you need and we'll figure out if the BONT Club is a good fit for you. That's it for today. Hope you found it valuable, my friend. And as always, let's bridge the gap 1 pixel at a time.